In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. So let us draw this picture. There is a straight line. A bucket is kept here. This is the first potato, and it is at 5 meters. The bucket is placed 5 meters away from the first potato. In a potato race, a bucket is placed in a starting point. This is a starting point. And what is the starting point? This is 5 meters from the first potato. 5 meters from the first potato. This is a potato at 5 meters. And other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart. So 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, likewise. And there are 10 potatoes like this. This is the first potato. Let me call it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So likewise there are 10 potatoes. And the distance between each is 3 meters. 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay? Right. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket. A competitor starts from the bucket. Picks up the nearest potato. So she runs to the first potato and bring back, then drop it in the bucket. So drop it in the bucket, and again she goes to the second potato, okay, which is 8 meters from the bucket. Again travel here 8 meters, okay, to return the potato. So likewise it goes on, and in the same way until all the potatoes are kept in the bucket. What is the total distance of the competitor has to run? So what is the total distance? Now what are the parameters so we can arrive at here? Now look at this. Here, this we can put a line like this. Okay, you can simply, the first one is 5 meters. This is the potato line. This is the bucket. The first one is at 5 meters. Second is at 3 meters, means 8 meters. Third is 8 plus 3, 11 meters. Fourth is 11 plus 3, how much? 14 meters. Fifth is 14 plus 3, 17 meters. Okay, likewise 20 meters, 23 meters, 26 meters, 29 meters. Is it not? 32 meters. So that is the 10th potato. Are you will follow? So this is first potato, second potato, third potato, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the competitor has to travel like this. She has to travel in this way. She should run from the starting point 5 meters and comes back to original position. So this is 5 meters. Okay. In the next stage, again she has to run 8 meters, then come back 8 meters. Okay. Right. Again in the third stage, 11 meters and comes back 11 meters to drop the potato back in the bucket. Are you able to follow this? Do you understand? Okay. Right. So in this way, and what is the AP here? The AP is 5, 8, 11 and so on. So the difference is 8 minus 5, 3. So A is the first number 5. Common difference is 8 minus 5, that is 3. and we had to count the SN. But in this case, she has to travel 2 times, is it not? So finally, we had to multiply by 2, is it not? First, we will find out the forward direction only. So in that case, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now how many potatoes are there? N is equal to 10. Okay, so what is the, and ultimately that is we have to multiply by 2, because why? We have to, she has to run forward and backward, so you have to multiply by 2. So let us multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Got this point? So these 2 can be cancelled. Now 2Sn, that is the value, and that is the total distance. Total distance traveled. Okay, therefore the total distance is equal to how much? N is 10. 10, open the bracket, 2a, 2 into 5, 10, plus n minus 1, 9, into common difference 3. Okay, so that is 10 into, what about this, 10 plus 27, so 10 into 37, it means 370 meter. So this is the total distance run by the competitor. Are you able to understand? Okay.